Let's try this question using Desmos. The function g is defined by gx is equal to x squared plus 9, for which value of x is gx is equal to 25. So we are gonna plug in both these functions in the Desmos and see which one is the value of x. So gx is equal to x squared plus 9. Gx, it accepts gx, okay? So you can plug it in, or you can take y is equal to gx is equal to x squared plus 9, x square, x shift 6, okay, x square. So shift 6 is the power, all right, on the laptop, plus 5, right? So this is our first function. X square is equal to, sorry, x square plus 9. Oops, x square plus 9. All right. The second function is gx is equal to 25. Gx is equal to 25. Gx is equal to 25. All right. So now we have to see where these two are intersecting. All right, just zoom it in a bit. These are the 2 points where it's intersecting. This one is 4, x is 4, and y is of course 25, and this is negative 4. So we have 2 points of x where these two things are intersecting. So 4 and negative 4. So which one is here? Answer 4. All right. So that's A. So this is one way of doing it. Otherwise, you can take this 25 here and find the x value. But of course, we are using Desmos to check that whether it's possible or not. All right. So it's possible.